Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode on your Apple Watch. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Apple Watch home screen, and to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, you have a few options. The easiest one is to slide up from your home screen, and you will find here the Do Not Disturb icon or the newly added focus modes icon. And if you tap on it, you can turn on the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on the first option. Here you have a few choices. You can either turn it on and it is going to be on until you turn it off, or you can turn it on for an hour, until the evening, or until I leave. You can also turn it off by doing the same. So let's see, if I turn it on, then it is going to be turned on, but I can turn it off from the same page here. You can also turn on your Do Not Disturb mode in your settings menu if you go to the focus and tap on the Do Not Disturb, and here you will have a few more options as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.